It's review time. So I actually found this in my local grocery store, and I wanted to share with you what it turned out. So first I took the box mix, made it just as it said, and the batter smells delicious. It has cinnamon dust throughout. So this Cinnamon Toast Crunch cake by Crocker turned out pretty amazing. It has hues of brown with that cinnamon dust throughout. You can actually see it in the cake itself. And it smells like a Cinnabon cinnamon roll. But wait, we have to add Cinnamon Toast Crunch frosting. You can see the flakes of cinnamon dust throughout. So this is actually a buttercream with the cinnamon dust scattered throughout. So it is crunchy yet creamy. So let's take 1 can of this icing and put it into the center of our first cake layer. For me, it took almost 1 container of the frosting, but that's okay. After that, I put it in the fridge to chill, added another layer around the edges to use up that first container of the frosting. Once I had this skim coat on here, I put it back into the refrigerator to harden up before using my second container of frosting to finish icing the rest of the cake. Now this cake is very cinnamony. There's cinnamon throughout the entire room as it bakes. Not only baking, but when you add the frosting as well. So here is the finished product that has been iced. Just look at that. There are crunchy bits of cinnamon throughout the icing, as you can see here, which makes for a crunchy exterior and a crispy crunch with every bite of the cake. So that is definitely something different from your regular cake, but I love it. Now it is time to cut into this and see what beautiful masterpiece awaits. I have to say that I was quite intrigued for this cake. I did not taste it throughout. I wanted it to be a surprise. But just look at that. It almost looks like a wheat cake because they have put so much cinnamon in, but it is not overwhelmingly cinnamony. It is actually the perfect contrast. As you can see, the cake is nice and moist. It tastes like a vanilla cake with added cinnamon. So the cake itself has a subtle cinnamon flavor, but when you pair it with that cinnamon dust buttercream, it is the perfect complement. So there you have it. This is something that I would highly recommend. It is new on store shelves. It is likely not to last long, but Cinnamon Toast Crunch cake and icing gets 2 thumbs up from me. The cake is nice and moist. The buttercream cinnamon dust frosting tastes amazing. I can eat it with a spoon by itself. But when you combine everything together, as you see here, the finished product is simply perfect. Everyone in my household loved it, so I hope that you will try it yourself soon.